I'm ready when you are. Never mind, I'm not ready when you are. How's my hair look?
You look beautiful.
I look very masculine, thank you. Alright. Hi, I'm Ian. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nasi Goreng, Indonesian fried rice. To start, we're going to add this seasoning blend to the pan. This contains all that good Indonesian secret flavors. We're talking galanga root, we're talking candle nut, we're talking garlic. There's even some chicken base in there. Add a little oil. We're gonna soften our vegetables in this pan. We're gonna go ahead and fry some meat in the other. Woo, lucky. All right. The vegetables we're gonna be using today are peppers, onions, some bok choy, and some green cabbage. I'm gonna go ahead and toss them in here. We're gonna soften the vegetables up. And when this oil is burning or smoking a little, we're gonna add some chicken. Okay. All right, now these vegetables are looking pretty good. A little softer, and we'll be ready to add the rice. This oil is smoking a little. I'm gonna add that chicken thigh. Add a little bit of salt. Salt every cup. Throw that around there. I want to get a nice browning for some texture. A little bit long. Vegetable is nice and soft. I'm going to go ahead and add some rice to that bad boy. Get all that rice in there. I'm going to go ahead and stir it to coat the rice evenly with everything that's in there and good and delicious. High heat. We're going to cook that for about 2 minutes. This should be nice and brown at the bottom. Let's see what's got it. Nice. Love that texture. Love that flame. We're good now. Why would it be a meat? All right. Now that this chicken's about done, almost done, not quite, we're going to add it to the rice. I want that to be nice and succulent, not dry by the time the rice is done. Stir this bad boy up. Oh. Stir that around in there. Get all that flavor nice and coated on the rice. Get the rice nice and soft. I'm going to taste for the salt. We can use a little more salt, I think. Okay, where have I got my salt out? Have I got my salt out? Right here. We're going to do a little bit better on the salt. I'm going to go ahead and add a little there. That high heat, we're going to go back to stirring. That rice is just about done. Shouldn't take too long at all to fry up some rice. The perfect rice is soft and fluffy. Don't ever add anything too wet to it. Add too much liquid to this rice or it'll ruin it. Let's scrape the side here. Get all that flavor up in there. Don't want to miss out on that flavor. All right, let's try again. If we're good, we're going to do the last step and serve. Nice. The salt is perfect. And the texture is perfect too. That means we can add my two favorite ingredients. We got Indonesian sweet soy sauce. That's going to be equal parts sweet, equal parts salty. Super delicious. Just a little bit. And then let's stir that. Make sure the bottom's not burning before I add the next ingredient. Next, we got some vegetable flavor. This is kaffir lime. Kaffir lime leaves, shredded nice and thin. They've got a great citrus flavor. Very nice. Very common in a lot of Southeast Asian dishes. Sprinkle some of that in there. Stir it up. Then we're done. I'm so hungry, man. This looks delicious. Indonesian fried rice called Nasi Goreng. All right. I say we're gonna serve that. Nice, look at that. That's the color you want to see. I think that flavor, it's so iconic.